We're out here, everybody.
What's up?
California with Alejandro. Like, honestly, for you guys watching, just tuning in, I've been talking about crypto quite a bit in the past. I realized once you build an income stream, you want to have good investments. So Alejandro kind of re-sparked kind of what's really happening with the cryptocurrency community. And what's going on with Ethereum, man?
So, real quick, I'll just point out I'm not a financial advisor. So, for legal protections, I want to make sure I put that out. So, this is all opinion-based. And just to relay off what Luke was saying, after you build a cash flow and you have steady income that's coming in and you have money to invest, that's when you're eligible to invest. And I never tell you to invest more than you can afford. That number's up to you to decide. I'd recommend no more than 10% of your net worth. But again, that's up to you. Now, moving forward, Ethereum 2.0 is a software upgrade that's coming to the Ethereum network that's going to mainly switch it from proof of work, which is mining, to proof of stake. And what that's going to do is you'll no longer be using computers to mine and validate the transactions on the network. You'll now be staking your coins. Ethereum's nodes are going to work by putting 32 coins in a node, which will support and validate the network and transactions that are running through it. Ethereum 2.0 is also going to be one of the fastest processing technologies in the entire world. So today, the fastest technology, most powerful technology in the world is Visa. Visa can handle 26,000 transactions per second. Ethereum's going to be at 100,000 phase one. So phase one's already 4x stronger than the most powerful system to date.
Damn.
Plus, you're no longer mining it now. Now you have a proof of stake system, and you have a burning clause on coins that are burned. So supply is no longer growing at the fast rate that it's currently
So
is.
tell us why it's so important now to invest in Ethereum, which is, you know, if you have money sitting on the side, like we said in the preface of this video, like you need to have money before you start putting it into random things, because it's maybe not going to be just be like
you don't put your rent money in here. You don't put money that you need to live off. That money you need to live off, you need to do something with it to create more cash flow so that you have some money to live off to be able to cover your basic living expenses, and then have money from your cash flow that you can start saving into an investment. And that pile, that investment pile, you need to do something with it. Leaving it in US dollar is absolutely insane. It's melting ice. That's what you're holding, melting ice. It's going to be water. It's going to be nothing. We just printed a ton of money globally. And the effects of this inflation from all the money we printed, it's going to take time. It's not going to be overnight, but it will. In the next couple of years, you're going to see it. I mean, 17% of all of America is in deferment on the residential commercial loans right now, which that means they're not paying for it because the government gave you protection to defer for up to 1 year. So March next year, all that shit ends. Letters are going to be going left and right that you owe a big sack of money in rent that you should have been paying, you haven't paid, and now you're going to be stuck with a huge bill that you're not going to be able to afford. And in 30 days, you're going to get a letter for fucking foreclosure, and you're going to see the biggest housing market crash ever coming.
Okay,
like
we're gonna whoa.
So holding
Alejandro,
is not what you want to be holding.
The content is coming too fast. Before we hop into housing market for about 2 more minutes, we're gonna please drop a thumbs up on this if you guys are watching this right now. But I want to tell you, Alejandro, like right now, Ethereum is literally like $348 a pop.
338.
338.
Yeah.
What do you think it's going to be in the next 3, 5, 10 years?
Look, I'm just speculating.
Something.
I've just been speculating, but there's some hedge funds that are extremely notorious for making extremely precise predictions out of New York, and some of them are calling anywhere from 7,000 to 10,000 a coin. I've even seen projections 20 to 50 if you're looking from a 10, 20-year aspect. But on a 5, 10-year aspect, there's funds calling 7,000, 10,000 a coin.
Damn.
I think we're gonna have a really nice appreciation curve happen to Ethereum, and then the post strategy would be after Ethereum's had its ride, convert to Bitcoin and let Bitcoin ride.
So now,
because Bitcoin's ultimately the coin you want to hold. That is the preservation of value.
And the whole reason, honestly, for anyone that's been watching my channel, you know I'm not into just straight up crypto all day, every day, but I know that I need to diversify my investments, and it's like just having my money in the bank is obviously not gonna be the way to go.
No.
So like you're talking real estate now. What's the whole
real estate's the
foreclosure
future?
thing?
Yeah. So I think well, one, I mentioned the real estate because you don't want to be holding the fiat currency or any, not US dollar, not any fiat currency. So even if you don't believe in crypto, at least hold some kind of hard asset like gold, silver, platinum, something else, right?
Yeah.
But the reason I mentioned that is because I do believe a housing market crash is going to come. aside from the housing market crash, if you're a real estate person, it's going to be a great time to buy next year's summer. Next year's summer, 2021 summer, going towards the end of 2021, it's going to be an amazing time because there's going to be deals left and right. The banks are going to be holding big bags of unpaid bills, and they're going to be selling houses for a fraction of the cost.
Because why is that? The people, like you stated earlier,
tech company areas will be safe. So areas like San Francisco, Seattle, where you have big tech there, they'll be safe because tech's going to be here for the long run. But a lot of these mom and pop shops, areas that, you know, it's very community driven, those are the ones going to get affected the worst. Areas that are not technology based are going to get hit real hard. Restaurant businesses are probably going to be the hardest business hit of them all. I see tons of restaurants closing down next year. It's going to be absolutely disgusting. It's super sad.
The housing crash is going to happen because everyone is now foreclosing on their homes after they can't pay off that giant bill at the end of the year. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, that's part of it. Not just that. I mean, like, let's take a look at it from a commercial aspect. Hotels. Who's staying at hotels right now? Nobody. Do you know what it costs to run a hotel? Do you know what it costs to run a fucking hotel? Your rent, your mortgage bill, and that goddamn thing? That is a big bill. You have thousands of rooms available. No one's staying in them. The lights are off. You're dying. And these companies that are usually Fortune 500 companies that own hundreds of hotels have hundreds of these super expensive depreciating assets racking up massive bills that they need to pay, or they're going to have to file bankruptcy and lose their assets. So it's a very tough decision for a lot of these companies. They're going to need to start debt consolidating. It's a very, very crazy situation where it's going to happen. What I recommend to everyone right now, what I would recommend is be cash liquid. Be liquid. Don't be buying a new fucking car. You just bought a new car, go fucking sell it. You bought anything nice, go fucking sell it. You want to have cash on hand because what's about to come is going to be a fire sale.
Damn, that's what I'm thinking internally. I have the subconscious will to know the dollar's going in some crazy thing with the election, the COVID, the craziness. Like
either side wins, still happening.
Still happening.
Can't stop it.
That's, I mean, real estate, crypto, future, you know, the stock market is, you know, something a lot of people are really highly interested in because
I think we're peaking. I mean, we just had the biggest recovery ever. March was a major shit show, right? March 14th and 17th was absolutely insane. But look how fast we recovered, and I don't think it's a sustainable recovery. You know, I don't want to talk bad about certain stocks because I like a lot of the tech companies out there, but there's definitely a lot that everyone is talking about right now that are just way overvalued. I mean, look at their net revenues. Look at the gross revenues versus their net profits, and the fucking spread on that is so little compared to what their market cap valuation is. It's insane. Look at a company that is valued properly. Look at Walmart. That company's valued properly. Go look at their revenues. Go look at their net profits. See what their market cap is. Now go look at the other companies that I'm talking about. I don't want to mention any names. And then take a look and be like, hold on, they made this little fucking net profit and their market cap's this big. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think the stock game's really up there. I'd be more in a cash position, you know, and ready to catch any shorts on the way down that are coming. They're coming. You just got to be patient. You got to let the game come to you. You can't rush investing. I've been trading 4 years since over 2014. I've been extremely successful. And the biggest thing I've learned is patience is key. You got to let it come to you.
You are killing it, Alejandro.
I appreciate it, bro.
I hope we can link up in Miami at some point or something like that. You know, right now we're in Playa del Rey.
Los Angeles. It's my hometown. I'm from Miami, so, you know, I'll definitely show some love out there.
I love it. Well, thank you guys for everyone watching. Is there anywhere anyone can find you, or you're just kind of...
Instagram, Alejandro_Canto. Or my business, at me.cbd. So that's me.cbd. That's my business as well.
Awesome. And
also check out our website, mecbd.com. We ship nationwide.
Anyways, Alejandro, thank you so much, my friend.
Thank you. Thank you for having this and, you know, sharing with your people. Hopefully they learn a few things from it.
Hell yeah. We'll see you guys later. Peace out.
Peace.